Welcome to our guide on using spreadsheet formulas. In this session, we will explore the importance of mastering formulas to enhance your data analysis skills. Every formula consists of basic components, operators, functions, and cell references. Let's break these down for a clearer understanding. Now, let's dive into some commonly used functions such as sum, average, count, and if, which are essential for any spreadsheet user. Understanding cell references is crucial. We'll discuss the differences between relative, absolute, and mixed references and when to use each. In this segment, we'll walk through creating and editing formulas step by step, ensuring you feel confident in your abilities. Nested functions allow us to perform complex calculations. Let's explore how to effectively use them in your work. Error handling is an essential skill. We'll identify some common errors and show you how to fix them quickly. To keep your formulas organized, we'll discuss best practices for formula management, focusing on documentation and readability. Let's look at some real-world applications of spreadsheet formulas, demonstrating their value in business and education. Thank you for joining us. Remember, continuous learning about forms and functions will empower you to tackle more advanced tasks. Check the resources to enhance your skills further.